You injure your knee, or maybe you just woke up one day after a long run and your knee was just killing you. Here's a few movements that you can do to kind of get a leg up on your rehab moving forward. We're ready to optimize your knee. Let's go. 3 essentials for us in early knee pain. Gonna get your quad activated with full extension of your knee, getting your posterior chain activated, and then also getting your knee bending as much as we can, preferably in weight bearing. First movement we're gonna work on is getting that terminal knee extension. It's gonna fire up your quads. Should be very safe for your knee, even if there's some swelling or some instability in there. Take it at your own pace to make sure that it's relatively comfortable, not increasing a lot of pain. So you're gonna stand with a band around your knee, right in the back crease of your knee, and you're gonna have a little bit of bend to start, and you're gonna push it as straight as you can. Again, make this work for you. If it's a little bit tight to begin with, push as far as you can with relative comfort. Hold for a second or two, and then let go again to that 20-ish degree bend. If it's easy, hold for a little bit longer, push a little bit further into that extension if you can. Second movement, again, guys, relatively safe for the knee. We're not moving it through a huge range of motion or putting full weight bearing through it. So you're gonna be lying on your back, and we're gonna work into a bridge, just lifting up the hips, squeezing the glutes and the hamstrings as you come up. Again, nice, slow, controlled movements here, engaging that posterior chain to support the knee. If you want to make this a little bit harder, you can step those feet out, kind of dig your heels in. So you're working with a bit of a longer lever. Another option to make it a bit harder is work on that single leg bridge. So you're going to kick one leg straight out and work just on the isolated sore leg. Again, smooth, relatively comfortable movement here, something that's not increasing your pain a lot, okay? Third movement for early knee pain, guys, is a bench or a box squat. So find a bench or a box or a chair or something that's accessible to you. We're gonna use that as a target for our distance that we're gonna squat down. So you're gonna get into a nice squat position, butt comes way back, reaches for that bench, and then back up. This may not be doable for a lot of people with severe knee injuries or having trouble a lot bending the knee in weight bearing. So you can put a couple of pillows, find a taller bench or a box that you can bend to, and you're working down to that target. So you're keeping your distance a little bit higher. So if you guys find yourself with some new knee pain, you can start some light, gentle, comfortable movements to help support the knee and get you fast-tracked on that rehab. Moving from here, we're gonna progress things as your knee continues to get better to get back to the things that you love doing.